Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and welcome to another vlog. So in today's vlog you can see that I'm outside because I'm going for my vaccination. Since our state government have come up with the rules that teacher needs to get vaccinated, so I'm being one of them, so I'm taking this privilege, so yes. And Ruvina is going too. She's me going together. So let's see. So waiting game is strong. I'm waiting for Ruvina. This is my double mask, and this is the first time that I'm coming out after like 4 months or 3 months, yeah. And it feels little weird, So let's see how it will go. I don't know how long will be the line and what are the procedure, because we have not booked our slot from the COVID website. We have to take our NOC and go there, and then they'll just give us the vaccination with our NOC. So yeah, waiting game strong. So guys, finally say hi to Ruvina. Finally we are about to reach. Scared कतिको डराइरहेको छौ तिमी?
म 30%.
उसको नयाँ
भ्याक्सिनको लाइन देखाइदेऊ तिमी
न ल लाइन हेर ल जंगल ले राते हुए रुबीना इधर वेट कर रही है अपने वैक्सीन के लिए.
हम भी तुम भी.
गाइज रुबीना को नया हेयर स्टाइल में कैसा लग रहा है बोलिए. So guys, this is the line and I'm already about to die. ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है, आपको मैं नीचे दिखाऊंगा. एंड हम लोग सबसे लास्ट पे. Only few people is behind us, so yeah. पता नहीं कब टर्न आएगा. Like right now it's what is the time? It's 9:30, about to be 9:30. So I don't know when our time will come. Let's see. So guys, आप देख सकते हैं कितना भीड़ है सिर्फ एक वैक्सीन के लिए.
तिमी कहिले पुग्छौ त्यहाँ?
I don't know. It's just 9:30 right now, and I don't know when our time will come, and probably it will be 2 or 3, I guess.
Best of luck.
गवर्नमेंट ने हमको प्रिविलेज दिया है कि टीचर लोग आपका वैक्सीनेशन लगा सकते हैं ऑन साइट में. वो फायदा उठाने आया है.
ऑन साइट
लाइन बढ़ रही है, थोड़ा होप हम आ रहे हैं. थोड़ा लाइन हम एंट्रेंस पे आ गए हैं. इतना बड़ा लाइन से, इतना ऊपर लाइन से. फाइनली I can see the gate. Hope, patience. Finally, I can see the gate. एकदम खुशी लग रही है. Hey guys, I'm inside. Finally inside. This is the in. This is me, and this is Arch. Oh, भित्र पसेर कस्तो लाग्दैछ?
मलाई उल्टी आउँदैछ.
Maintaining proper distance, everybody. मुझे मेरा साथी हो. Now he's working in the health department. That's why he's like. काम कस्तो चल्दैछ नि त यहाँ? राम्रो चल्दैछ. कतिको रिक्स छ तिमीहरूलाई?
रिक्स त त्यस्तो छैन हेर्नु त अहिले.
है कतिजना भयो हिजो यो के भन्छ भ्याक्सिनेसन? कतिजनाको भयो?
भ्याक्सिनमा त 1000 जनाको छ.
हिजो 1000 जना भयो यहाँ ठाकुरबारीमा. ए ठिकै. अब जति पनि यो लाइनमा उभिएको छ नि डल्लैले पाउँछ?
पाउनु त पाउँछ
भरे 4 बजीसम्म जति हो जतिले गरिहाल्छ है. ए अपने मंजिल के ओर जा रहे हैं. हम पहुंचने ही वाले हैं. अब हामी रो यो सीढ़ी मंजिल के ओर. देखिए हम मंजिल के करीब है और हम जा रहे हैं. Thank you, Pima.
Thank you.
Vaccinated, bro. First dose the video.
How was your first experience?
It was. I didn't feel anything actually.
Uh-huh.
What did you feel?
मलाई पनि भएन.
Me too. त्यो चेसेक्क घोटेको मात्रै भयो त्यो पनि जोड दुखेन.
I'm actually not scared of vaccines.
Me too. It's a good thing. So why you have to do? You don't need to be scared about it. So yes, we did it.
We did it.
Yeah. So guys, I'm done with my vaccination. It was my first dose and I didn't feel anything today, but let's see how it will react in my body. I'll update in the video. So yeah. So hi guys, I'm home now and I had my food because I just got vaccinated. So far I don't feel anything, and what they were saying is that in that center that if you feel fever, if you get fever, you know, and if you feel loose motion, for fever you need to take 650 mg paracetamol, and if you happen to have diarrhea then you can drink lots of water, especially ORS water, so that will be helpful. But if you get the diarrhea more than 9 times, then I think you need to visit the doctor. Those were the precautions that they were telling us to take, and yeah, I feel nothing. I'm just fine. I got vaccinated in my left hand somewhere here. I don't know whether you... Oh yeah, it's here. It's here. Can you see? Yeah, it's here. So yeah, I have to observe at least 2 days. So let's see how it will go. Okay, and another important thing is that I think it will be better if I'll talk this in Nepali. त्यहाँ चाहिँ के हुँदै थियो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ बिकज अहिले चाहिँ सिक्किममा चाहिँ स्पेसली के हुँदैछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ गभर्मेन्टले चाहिँ फ्रन्टलाइन वर्कर्सहरूलाई चाहिँ फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी दिँदैछ. लाइक अब टिचर्सहरू भयो, ड्राइभर्सहरू भयो, तपाईँको डे टु डे जो पनि गभर्मेन्ट अफिसहरूमा जानुपर्ने छ है एकदमै उहाँहरूलाई, अन्त त्यहाँदेखि ब्याङ्क वर्कर्सहरूलाई भयो, एन्ड देयर आर लाइक मेनी अदर क्राइटेरियाज होइन. अन्त मान्छेहरू चाहिँ माथि पुगेर चाहिँ अन टप अफ द्याट अनलाइन पनि हुँदैछ, बट अनलाइनको अलिकति कम्ती स्लट छ र यता जो पनि गभर्मेन्ट जो पनि त्यो फ्रन्ट लाइनमा आउँछ उहाँहरू चाहिँ डाइरेक्ट गएर माथि अन साइटमै दे डोन्ट ह्याभ टु बुक द स्लट फ्रम द वेबसाइट. बट द्याट डज नट मिन द्याट कि तपाईँले रेजिस्टर गर्नु चाहिँ पर्दैन भनेर. तपाईँले आफ्नो नम्बरबाट कोविन वेबसाइट कि नभए आरोग्य सेतु एपबाट चाहिँ तपाईँले रेजिस्टर चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ. जब रेजिस्टर गरिसकेर तपाईँले इफ तपाईँ फ्रन्टलाइन वर्कर हो भने चाहिँ तपाईँले स्लट चाहिँ बुक गर्नु पर्दैन, स्लट चाहिँ बुक गर्नु परेन, तर तपाईँकोमा चाहिँ एनओसी चाहिँ हुनुपर्छ, एन्ड द्याट टु निड्स टु बी प्रिन्टेड आउट. हुन्छ नि, हार्ड कपी चाहिँ लानुपर्छ. तपाईँले त्यो वाट्सएपमा देखाएर, तपाईँले फोनमा देखाएर चाहिँ तपाईँले गर्नु सक्नु हुँदैन. सो त्यो चाहिँ प्रिन्ट आउट गरेर तपाईँले लानुपर्छ. त्यो चाहिँ प्रिन्ट आउट चाहिँ उहाँहरूले त्यहाँ राख्छ हो. सो तपाईँ गभर्मेन्ट इम्प्लोइ नै हो भने पनि, तपाईँ फ्रन्टलाइन वर्कर्स नै हो भने पनि तपाईँले तपाईँको त्यो के भन्छ, तपाईँले रेजिस्टर्ड चाहिँ हुनुपर्छ. तपाईँ कोविनमा स्लट चाहिँ बुक गर्नु पर्दैन. तर अब स्लटको अभियसली अन्त जो चाहिँ होइन उहाँहरूको पनि साइड बाई साइड हुँदैछ, तर के भन्छ एकदमै कम्ती मात्रामा छ, तर हुँदैछ. त्यसको लागि चाहिँ तपाईँले स्लट बुक, तपाईँ फ्रन्टलाइन वर्कर्स होइन भने चाहिँ तपाईँले स्लट चाहिँ बुक गरेर जानुपर्छ, अन्त मात्रै भ्याक्सिनेसन हुन्छ. इफ हो भने चाहिँ तपाईँकोमा एनओसी, आधार कार्ड र रेजिस्टर्ड नम्बर चाहिँ तपाईँलाई याद हुनुपर्छ. इफ तपाईँ अनलाइन हो भने तपाईँकोमा तपाईँको त्यो अनलाइन स्लटको तपाईँको त्यो रिसिप्ट र तपाईँको आधार कार्ड र तपाईँको फोन नम्बर चाहिँ तपाईँसँग हुनुपर्छ. तपाईँलाई त्यति चाहिँ याद हुनुपर्छ, त्यो चाहिँ तपाईँले लिएर जानु पर्यो. अन्त the place that I got vaccinated, the name of that place is Thakubari, and I really appreciate the work of the people who are, you know, involved in that particular area. I don't know about other centers in Sikkim, but I just went there. They were guiding the people so nicely, and then they segregated the you know, male and female line differently, and then they were only allowing at least like five people at a time, and they were like keep informing what to do and what not to do when we were standing on the line. So I really appreciate all those people out there. You guys are doing really great. So we are so thankful that you guys are there, and you guys have so much of risks, but still you guys are doing your best. So thank you so much. I really like the facilities. I really like the system that they have created in Thakurbari. I don't know about other centers, maybe it's the same, you know. So it was really nice. At first when I reached the point, I was so demotivated by looking into the line, but कुरामै लाइन त सकिहाल्यो. So I reached there 9:30 मा. I thought 2 बज्छ होला, but I got vaccinated by 12:30, so which is nice according to the line. जब तपाईले भिडियोमा देख्नुहुन्छ लाइन चाहिँ कतिको लामो थियो भनेर. So I think that is there. If you guys come into the category of frontline workers, तपाईले त्यसरी जान सक्नुहुन्छ. डाइरेक्टली आफ्नो NOC is very important, हार्ड कपी. आधार कार्ड पर्दैन, आधार कार्ड चाहिँ सफ्ट कपी नै भए पनि हुन्छ तपाईको. त्यहाँ उनीहरूले नम्बरहरू हेर्छ, तर जति सक्दो चाहिँ आफ्नो आधार कार्ड लिएर गएको राम्रो. र तपाईले कुन चाहिँ नम्बरमा चाहिँ रेजिस्टर गर्नु भएको छ त्यो चाहिँ भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट, किनभने मान्छेहरू पुरा बेसी कन्फ्युज भइरहेको थियो माथि यही कुरामा. So that is there. For online, you don't need to take any एनओसी तपाईँले अनलाइन तपाईँको स्लट देखाउनु पर्यो उनीहरूलाई र रेजिस्टर्ड गरेको नम्बर र तपाईँको आधार कार्ड अनलाइनको लागि चाहिँ कोविनबाट गरेको तर तपाईँ गभर्मेन्ट वर्कर्सबाट आउनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ तपाईँ रेजिस्टर्ड चाहिँ हुनुपर्छ कोविनमा तर स्लट चाहिँ बुक गर्नु पर्दैन अब बिहानै उठेर फर इन्स्टेड अफ द्याट तपाईँले चाहिँ एनओसी चाहिँ लानुपर्छ विच इज हार्ड कपी एन्ड यर आधार कपी एन्ड यु निड टु नो द नम्बर द्याट यु आर रेजिस्टर्ड फ्रम so that is very important. So yes guys, I really appreciate all those people who are working there, who are helping others and you know risking their life and working there, so really thankful. And let's see how this vaccine will react in my body. Finger crossed. So far so good, so I will update you if something will happen. So yes guys, that's all. Hi guys, it's day 2 and yesterday I got vaccinated and today is the second day, and yesterday I didn't feel anything as I've already said in my video, but yesterday I took paracetamol, 500 mg paracetamol, and yesterday around 10 I was feeling that I might get fever, but maybe because I took paracetamol I didn't get that high fever, but somewhere inside my body I knew that I'm struggling. And today when I woke up just now, you can see that I'm not feeling that fresh for sure. I don't feel my body that energetic as I normally do. And the main thing is that this hand where I got injected, it's paining real bad. It's paining real bad. This side I can't even move my hand properly. And another thing, I don't have that high fever for sure, but I feel that somewhere inside my body, I don't know where it is paining, but somewhere inside my body there's a pain. So I am not able to detect that in which part of my body there is a pain that I'm feeling. To be honest, I don't want to walk only, and I can surely say that I'm having pain right here, but in the rest of my body I cannot say that I'm having pain here. So obviously I don't feel great for sure. I feel something, but maybe because I took paracetamol on time, maybe because of that my fever is suppressed now and the pain as well. So let's see it's just right now it's just 6 a.m. so let's see how I will feel till evening. Hi guys, and I couldn't film yesterday because I was like not feeling that well, but now I'm totally fine. And overall I think now I'm back to normal, so I think that's great. So I want you to be prepared if you have not vaccinated yet that you will going to get fever or body ache. So make sure to take paracetamol in advance. Not everyone will get it, but I think most of them 80% or 70% surely will going to feel this type of feeling after getting vaccinated. So please get ready for that. And yes guys, if you haven't, and another information is that Manipal, which is a private hospital of Gangtok, Sikkim, they have also started the vaccination, but you have to pay 700 something in order to get vaccinated. So if you are in urgent, you can go and do vaccinated, but for me it doesn't make much of a sense. But still, if you don't have any hurry, just go and go through the government process. I think that will be much better. So yes guys, I hope this video will going to help you if you have not vaccinated yet, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.